Hey man, we got a club car here, gas. I'll show you what the how to adjust the carburetor on here. You have two adjustments. One is this one. This is your idle screw. And what you want to do is make sure, see your butterfly flap here, the throttle opens up on. See your throttle opens up. You want to make sure, and if it turns back, that it's all the way back, not open like this. So if it's open like this, I'm adjusting it a little bit. You can see how it's opening up. See how it's moving that butterfly there? Was moving the throttle flap. You want to make it where it's not open none, because if it is open some, when you let go of the gas, it's going to backfire. So if you take it and push back, pull it with your hand manually, all right, that's where you want it. You want to make sure it returns all the way. Now, if this is the key start, you want to have it like that, where it's open a little bit, but this ain't key start like this. All right, then the next one is this right here. This is your air mixture screw. Let me get my other hand here. This is your air mixture screw on cranking up. Where's it at? I can't even find it. All right, right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it and crank it up. I'm gonna turn it all the way in now. No, that's the wrong thing. That's my button. That's for the carburetor flap. Get back set right. Like that. Then your idle screw. I can't see it from my angle, but I can on the phone. It's right here. All right, right now it's turned all the way in. I'm gonna show you the difference. All right, now I'm about to crank it up. Right now I'm about to floor it. Listen to the engine. Ready to crank up. What I'm gonna do, pretty much what it's doing, man, is giving you low speed jet air and no air. So if you're having a problem cranking up on the top end, which is barely hitting the gas, you back this out. So I'm gonna back it out. You see there, kind of lag some. Then what I'm gonna do is take it, back it all the way out like that, and give it a little bit of gas. You see, watch the lag on the engine. Right there I have, I'm holding the gas like that. It takes a while to crank up. So then what I'm gonna do is take it, adjust it back in a little bit. What I'm gonna do is go all the way closed, back out. 1, 2 full turns. Still a little lag. I'm gonna back out a half a turn. That's a half. Get a little better, so then I'm gonna go another half, which make it 3 full revolutions. Like it runs better. Let's try one more revolution. Maybe 4. I'm gonna go back almost like it cranks up all the way. Let's see. See how it fires up. I don't run like crap there. So we're gonna back out 2 this time. 1, 2. When I say top end now, I mean like when you hit the gas, don't floor it now, just barely hit like this here. That's top end. You can see that open on the carburetor. screwdriver. What I'm gonna do is take it, put the screwdriver back on there, hard to see from this side. And when the throttle flap just begins to open, try it again, make sure. See, I got it all the way out there and it stuttered. Let's see. The whole time I'm adjusting that, you're seeing what I'm doing, man. All right, man, stay tuned, man. I just want to show people that